Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to match your app icon to your iPhone's color on your iPhone. This feature lets your app icons automatically blends with the wallpaper or iPhone color theme. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to home screen. Now tap and hold on any empty space until icons start to jiggle. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on edit. At the bottom, you will see a different appearance option. Select tinted or color match. Now your iPhone will automatically match your app's icon to your wallpaper or system color. You will notice the icon change to a soft uniform color instead of the original bright colors. If you want more control, you can adjust the color intensity using the slider. Move it left for a lighter look or right for a deeper, richer color. You can also switch between light mode and dark mode to see which style looks best with your icons. Once you are happy with the look, just tap anywhere on the screen to save it. And that's it. Your app icon are now perfectly matched to your iPhone color. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.